Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the watch charged and the phone ready. This avoids interruptions during pairing. Once done, enable Bluetooth and open the Ztfit app. You'll sign in or create an account so settings and history sync. Make sure location permission is allowed if prompted, because the app needs it for BLE scanning. Tap Add Device, choose the exact Ztfit Watch model, and accept pairing requests. This initial sync registers the watch and prepares firmware and profile transfer automatically. Once paired, you configure the watch to match how you use it, which improves tracking accuracy. Set your profile, height, weight, dominant wrist, and pick daily step or sleep goals so metrics are meaningful. Then enable notifications, alarms, heart rate sampling intervals, and the activity modes you'll use most. Make sure to push these settings to the watch and accept any firmware updates. Updates fix bugs and add features. If an update runs, keep the devices close and plugged in to avoid failures. To finish, you adopt daily habits. Wear the watch snugly for accurate heart rate and sleep readings, and sync at least once per day so the app stores your history. If data stops updating, restart the watch and the phone, then repair through the app. This resolves most Bluetooth hiccups. If problems persist, try a factory reset, but back up any transferable data first because reset clears settings. One key troubleshooting tip: check Bluetooth permissions and battery levels before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.